Hello everyone, and welcome back to another video on my channel. This is my 5th video in my Christmas series, and in today's video we are going to do these 4 designs that were inspired by Darcy Olin, who is the Dean of Students and International Educator for Light Elegance. So let's get creating. So jumping right into this, we are taking Luxe number 98 and applying it to the prepped nail tip, and we are going to cure for 30 seconds. I am going to build this color up with a second layer and cure for another 30 seconds because with the design I'm doing on this nail, I want an opaque background. And as mentioned in other tutorials, I like to take the dispersion layer off when hand painting. It just makes it easier for me to do lines without a dispersion layer. With Vison Gel's number 1 white, I'm going to create half a tree on the side of the nail tip with a striping brush and give this tree a quick flash cure before I go in with the VIP Diamond Gel number 11. And I'm just outlining part of the tree with this gorgeous silver VIP Diamond Gel to just add a little bit of frost, if you will, dimension. And if you want to see the whole collection of the VIP Diamond Gels, I will link a card up in the corner here. And with the same striping brush, I am going to create a star, I think it's a star, with number 1 white from Vison Gel. So an easy way to create a star is to place a dot and then drag your brush from the center of the dot to create these lines. After flash curing, I am just adding some dots to make this look like snow falling. And after flash cure, I am just going in with the number 11 VIP Diamond Gel and just adding some sparkle. Then I'm going to cure this for 30 seconds in my LED lamp before I apply the Super Shine No Wipe Top Coat. And cure again for 30 seconds. And there you have a really simple Christmas design that's so pretty and easy to add to your service for Christmas time. Okay, the next design I'm going to attempt to do is, I think this is a poinsettia flower. So I was completely out of frame when I did the second petal for this flower. Oops. Okay, after flash cure, I'm going in with the VIP Diamond Gel number 2 and just putting some sparkle on these petals. So with number 8 VIP Diamond Gel, I'm just creating these little berry dots, flash curing, and then going in with, I think this is number 2 again. Sorry you guys, I'm not 100% sure, but if you have this VIP Diamond Gel collection, any of these will go nice with this design. And after a full cure of 30 seconds, I am going in with my Super Shine No Wipe Top Coat from Vison Gel, and I'm going to cure for 30 seconds again. And this is the outcome of this design. Again, not perfect, but fun to do nonetheless. Okay, the next design I'm going to use number 165, and I am going to put 2 coats on this nail tip and cure for 30 seconds in between each coat. So for this design, I decided not to wipe the dispersion layer off. I wanted to see how well I could do with a tacky layer on. And I am taking number 2 VIP Diamond Gel and just creating feathery lines with a light application with my striping brush. After a flash cure, I'm going in with my striping brush and number 1 white and just creating a couple of straight lines. We're trying to. So after a full cure of 30 seconds, again, I'm going in with my Super Shine No Wipe top coat and curing for 30 seconds. And this is what this design looks like. I thought I was creating more of a plaid look, but when my daughter looked at this, she said it was more like a wrapping paper look. Like, okay. So the next design, we're going in with the same color, and after 2 coats and full cure of 30 seconds, I am creating that poinsettia flower again. I'm doing basically the same design as we did with the green background, but I positioned the flower on the side of the nail tip, and I am using pretty much the same colors as before. Okay, I lied. This is number 5, which is a light pinky rose VIP diamond gel, and I'm just going in between the petals and creating some sparkle and dimension as before. And then I'm going in with the Luxe green that I used to create the berries. This is number 2 VIP diamond gel, and I'm just creating, you guys. And after a flash cure, I go in with number 1 white and create some snow falling. And then I'm going to do a full cure of 30 seconds, apply the Super Shine No Wipe top coat as always, and cure for 30 seconds. That is how the 4th design turned out. I think as I do these flowers more and more, they get a little bit easier and they start to look a little better than the first time. So here are the 4 designs that I created with you guys. I hope you enjoyed this. Feel free to try this design yourself. I would love to see how you created this look and made it your own. And if you want to tag me on my Instagram, feel free to do that at Elite Nails by Carrie. And that is it for this tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Don't forget to follow me on my social media, Facebook and Instagram at Elite Nails by Carrie. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't done so already. And another great big thank you to Darcy Olin for sharing your talent and your creativity with all of us. And it was a pleasure to try to recreate what you have done. So I wish you all a Merry Christmas, and we will see you in the next video. Bye guys!